And we have a warm start to what will be a really hot day. Here are the current numbers right now. McCarran International Airport, 83 degrees. Same story for Henderson. North Las Vegas, slightly cooler at 82. Laughlin, how about the warm spot there? 91 is the current temperature, and Pahrump, the cool spot on this map. 77 degrees is the current temperature. As we move through the day, naturally, we're going to heat up, and here's how it works. 94 degrees as we move into the 9 o'clock hour. By noon, we're in the 100s. 3 o'clock, close to our high temperature. 107 degrees at that time. We may have a better breeze pickup also as we move into the afternoon hours. Then between 3 and 6, we hit our high temperature. Today, that's 110 degrees. Moving into 6 o'clock, the sunshine sticking around, a nice breeze sticking around as well. 106 will be the temperature at that time, with the wind coming out of the southwest at about 12 miles per hour, gusting higher at times. So here's a look at your full Saturday forecast. The high temperature, as I said, 110. The breeze starting off about 5 miles per hour, but as you saw, moving through the afternoon, picking up a little bit and gusting at times. Then as we move into Sunday, slightly cooler by a degree. 109 is the high temperature on Sunday with a better wind for tomorrow. And the wind will continue to pick up as we move into Monday and bring in some slightly cooler weather. 108 is the forecast high for Monday's high temperature, again with a little better wind, 15 miles per hour sustained, gusting higher at times. So over the next 3 days, today is the hottest of the 3, and we will continue to cool down as we move through the upcoming work week. Here's a look at the temperature tracker. The average high temperature for this time of year, 105. Today we're at 110. Tomorrow, 109. Monday, a little cooler, as you saw, 108. Tuesday, 107. Then by Wednesday, we're below average. 104 is the high temperature forecast for Wednesday, and we will continue to cool down as we head into the end of the week, thanks to a big change in the upper levels of the atmosphere. For now, though, here's a look at the satellite and radar. We won't have a whole lot of cloud cover today. We won't have a big opportunity for wet weather. All the energy in the atmosphere, as I keep saying, is well off to our east. There you see it in Utah and northern Arizona. That's where all the rain is at this hour, continuing to push from south to north. And here in the valley, we may see an isolated sprinkle as you move into the afternoon. I saw one yesterday, considered myself pretty lucky. As you move through the day today, you may see one also, but for the most part, we are going to stay dry. On the complete polar opposite end of the scale, we have Tropical Storm Barry to talk about in the Gulf of Mexico. It is still a tropical storm at this point. It's a slow-moving system. Because of that, there is a possibility from the National Hurricane Center saying that before Tropical Storm Barry makes landfall, it could bump up to hurricane status. And really, it's not that far from it as we sit right now. Current winds are sustained at 70 miles per hour. Storm surge is a big concern here, and so is rain. Because it's such a slow-moving system, we're expecting about 10 additional inches of rain to fall, 10 to 20 additional inches of rain to fall in the Gulf Coast region. All right, again, bringing it back home. Really hot today and dry, high temperature 110. Then we continue a trend toward cooler weather as we move through the